Welcome back to the VST channel, guys. I am using the very latest update for the Vivo X100 Ultra. This should also include some fixes for the 4K video. Welcome back to the second night video test with the Vivo X100 Ultra. It is 4K 30 FPS. I noticed yesterday, thanks to you guys, that I've not used the night video function. So let me show you. This right now is the night video, but without the night function. So right now I'm gonna stop it and start it with the night function and do the whole new video with the night function. I have also here some musicians playing, so I'm gonna also use the stage mode. So let me resume the video with the night. Alright, this has now been the video with the night. It's gonna be interesting to see the amount of the jitter. By the way, it's too loud and also too noisy, but I just hope that the Vivo is able to pick up what I'm saying. So let me just start running to test the stabilization. This is with the night mode again. It seems that it makes really a difference. That is better. A lot of shining light there. Now I have 1x, I have 2x. Oh, by the way, one of the limitations that I see when I'm using the night video, guys, I only have the option to use the 1x and then the 2x, and I cannot just use 3.7 and just go more than that, I guess, because it uses the main sensor and then the 2x is a crop. But let me now switch off the night mode and show you the video without the night mode. Alright, this is now the video without the night mode. Honestly, I don't think it's worse. I don't think it's really worse, because here, although it's already night, we do have a lot of lights, and I can demonstrate to you. I have 0.6, I have the proper one, I have the 2. Alright, and it's actually even better than with the night mode. And I can also do the 3.7 like I told you guys, and I can also engage with 10x. So let me show you. This is now 10x. Alright, 0.6 and then 10x. Alright, and now back to 1. Alright guys, this is the night mode. Now I do believe that the night mode makes more sense when you're really into a very dark environment. So right now, this is with the night mode. I'm gonna start running. Hopefully I'm not gonna fall, because I cannot almost see anything. So now pay attention, guys. I am going to show you this very same footage, but without using the night mode. So okay, right now I'm still using the night mode. Alright, let me stop it. This is here without the night mode, and for an environment like this, it's really like night and day. But here, of course, I do have 0.6, not so much light. 1x of course brings more light. 2x, 3.7 again goes to the HP 90 ISO Samsung 200 megapixel, and then less light. So the 1-inch sensor brings the most light for sure. But now let me show you one more time with the night mode on. The footage with the night mode on is just insane, but sadly I don't really like it. Well, too much jitter. This is what I can see in the viewfinder. By the way, I'm not sure how this is gonna come out right now in the viewfinder. I almost see this like a slideshow, alright? But it's just stunning how many things you are able to see. Certainly not the same amount of light without the night mode. Now pay attention, guys. This is without the night mode, and you can just see, right, less jitter for sure. And of course I can go here and use 3.7 and also go to 10x. Alright, one more time to 1x. Same scenario with the night mode and then with 2. Okay, so with the night mode I can only use 1 and 2. For sure there is more information to be seen, but I don't like the fact that I can only use the 1 and 2x, which I believe is just a crop from the main camera, so it only works with the main camera. And also what I don't like is that the video seems to be choppy. But is it really like this? You will let me know down below in the comments. And now I'm gonna enter and show you some of the stage mode. So at least now we have properly tested the night mode, and it really works like a charm. But now it's time to go inside and test what you're able to do with this stage mode. This is the stage mode starting from 1x. I can do here 2x, 3.7, right, optical still, and I can go up to 5x. Now, there is something quite interesting. When I stop this at 5x, I'm gonna have some more focal length. Now I'm starting from 5x and I can do 10x, and you can just see how crazy good the stage mode is. This guy is tuning his guitar right now. I can do 20x, and this is as much as you can do in the regular video, but with the stage mode you can go and do up to 30x. Now for your reference, this is one more time 1x, guys. So again, when I'm in the stage mode and I'm using 1x, I can do 2x, I can do 3.7, and the maximum zoom here is 5x. But when I stop the video, I can go and use 5, 10, 20 and 30x.
We Merci beaucoup.